Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of Entri, India's #1 app for preparation of various competitive exams like banking, railways, SSC and other state PCS examinations. Myself Rahul Mishra and I am your reasoning educator. I have cracked various competitive examinations like IBPS PO, RRB PO, SSC CGL and RRB NTPC as well. Student, in this video I will be going to discuss how to solve linear double row sitting arrangement and score 5 marks in 3 minutes. This video will be very important for your upcoming IBPS, SBIs, RRBs and other banking examinations. Okay, so let's start the video and learn how to solve these questions. So student, before starting this video's question, we will first discuss the previous video's homework question. Okay, so the question is, a certain number of persons are sitting in the row and all of them are facing toward north. Okay. First we have to draw a line because it is single row sitting arrangement, so only one line will be there, and all of the person who is sitting in this row is facing north direction. It means this side will be left and this side will be right, but we don't know how many persons are sitting, so we will not plot the number of seats in our row. Okay, so the question is, Q sits 6th from the right of S. See, we don't know the confirmed information about Q and S, so we cannot put here. Okay, so we will make its footnote. From S, Q is 6th right. Okay, only two person sits between Q and P. So between Q and P there are only two persons. R sits 4 to the left of S. Okay, again we have to make the footnote. From S, R is 4th left. Okay, U sits between S and T. So between S and T, U is sitting. T can come here also and S can come here also. It is not confirmed. Place can be changed of T and S. Okay, now V sits second to the right of U. From U, V is second right. Okay, W is third from any of the end. See, this line is very important. From this line we can start solving our puzzle because we know something confirmed information about any single person. Okay, so we can start from here. So W is third from any end. Okay, so any end means it can be on the left end or on the right end. Okay, okay, so let us assume W from the left hand first. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. W is third from the left hand. It is our case number 1. But W can be third from the right hand. Okay, so this has to be our another case. Let us make the another case. It will be left and this will be right, and this is our second case. So in first case we have assumed W from the left hand, and in second case we have to assume W from the right hand. So let us make 1, 2 and 3. W will come here. Okay, now next line, S is 8th from the left end of the row. See, this line is also giving confirmed information about S and confirmed side about S, that is S is 8th from the left hand. Okay, so we have to plot lines from the left hand only. So 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8th, S will come here. Similarly, in case number 2 we have to plot this information. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8th. Okay, S will come here. Now 6th person sits between W and V. See, we know the confirmed place of W, so we can put V very easily. So let us count the number of persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after 6 V will come. Similarly in this case also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the 7th place we will come because there are 6 persons between V and W. Okay, so let's check the hints and start solving our puzzle. We have 4 hints, but which hint we have to pick, that we have to select it very intelligently and cautiously, because if we pick any wrong hint, it will end up in making lot of possibilities. So we have to pick it very smartly. Now if I pick hint number 1, then there will be a lot of confusion for me, because in case number 1 I can easily put our hint number 1, but in case number 2 it will create a lot of confusion. Why and how, that I will explain. See, from S 6 right is Q. Okay, from S 6 right is Q, I can put here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Q will come here, and there are two persons sitting between Q and P. See, from Q left side P can also come, because there is a gap of 2 is available on the left side of Q, so P can come here. And from Q right side also P can go, because we don't know the actual number of person, so there can be more person on the right side of Q also. Okay, so it is creating two possibilities over here also. But in our case number 2, if I start with this, okay, from S 6 right is Q, so Q can come on the left side of V also over this place, and Q can go on the right side of V also, because we don't know the number of persons sitting between S and V, so it is creating another possibility. So we cannot start from our hint number 1, but in our case number 1, hint number 1 is plotted, only half of it, not the full one, because Q and P is left in our case number 1. But in case number 2, it will create lot more possibilities, so we will not put. Now hint number 2, from S, fourth left is R. Okay, S is here, 1 2 3 4, R can come over here. Similarly, in case number 2, 1 2 3 4, R can come over here. So this hint we have completely plotted, and this is our confirmed hint, because we know that S is sitting 8 from the left hand. So by this line we can easily find out the confirmed place of S that we have already did, and our confirmed place can easily be plotted because S place is confirmed. Okay. Now third hint, between T and S U is sitting. See, we don't know the confirmed place of T. T can come on the left side of S in our case number 2, and on the right side of S also. But in our case number 1, after S on the right side there is no space left for T. So T will come on the left side of S, and U will come between T and S. This is our third hint. Okay, and from U V is second right. This is our fourth hint. So from U right side is this side, and V's place is 1 2 and 3, third. So fourth hint is not getting satisfied in our case number 1, so this case will be eliminated. Now we can plot this fourth hint in our second case, that is from U second right is V, so 1 and 2, so U will come here. Okay, U will come here, and we know that between T and S U is sitting, so S is over here, so T confirmed place will be this side only, because we know the confirmed place of U, that is why T will come on the right side of S only. Okay, so these two hint we have completely plotted. So our first hint is left only. Our first hint state that from S 6th right is Q. Okay, see, we know the confirmed place of S, so we can easily put the place of Q also. So from S 6th right, it means this side, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so Q will come here, and between Q and P there are two persons sitting, so 1 and 2, P can come over here. 1 and 2, P cannot come on the left side of Q, that is no space left for Q, that is why P will come here only. Okay, so this is how we have to solve the question of certain number of persons sitting in the row. Okay, I hope you got it. Now let's solve the questions based on this. Okay, so question number 1, how many number of person could sit in the row? So count the number of seats which we have plotted by solving the above conditions. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So correct answer is 20. What is the position of W with respect to Q? Q is here and W is on the right side of Q. So 1 2 3 4. fourth to the right. Now question number 3. If X sits immediate right of V, okay, V is here, on the immediate right is X, okay, then how many persons sits between X and P? Okay, so count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 person. Option number C is correct. Okay student, I hope you like this question. Now let's start the today's video. Okay, so let's start the question then. Question is 8 person U, V, A, B, W, Y, C and D are sitting in two parallel rows. 4 sits in each row. Okay. The one who's sitting in row 1 facing north and like colors, and the one who's sitting in row 2 facing south and like fruit. Okay student, this question is from our double row sitting arrangement. For solving these kind of questions, what you have to do, you have to first draw the two lines, okay, and assume this one is row 1 and this one is row 2. Okay, row 1, the person who is sitting faces north, and row 2, the person who is sitting faces south, and we have total number of persons, that is 8. Okay, and 4 person sits in each row, so we have to plot 4 lines in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3, 4, such that person in first row faces the person of second row. This is the condition given to us in our question. Okay, this one faces north, it means that left will be this side and right will be this side of row number 1. Okay, row number 2 faces south, which means that right will be at this side and left will be at this side of row number 2. Okay, and one more important condition is given to us, that is the person who is facing north like colors. Okay, so the person who will come in row 1 always like colors. Okay, and the person who is facing south direction in row 2 like fruits. Okay, this is the condition given to us. Now we have to solve the question. Okay, so let's start. A does not face W and one of them like red color. See, we cannot start from this information because we don't know which person is sitting in which row, because it is not specified in our question. Okay, we have simply mentioned that there are 8 persons, but we don't know which person is sitting in which row number. Okay, for this what we have to do, we have to make its footnote. Okay, so A does not face W, in front of A W will not come, and one of them like red color. So between A and W anyone can like red color, so either A or W can like red color. Okay, now the one who like mango does not faces A. Okay, again we have to make the footnote, the guy who like mango does not faces A. Okay, so it means that A will come on the row number 1 because the guy who like mango will come on the row number 2. It is mentioned in our question that the one who like fruit will come on the row number 2. That is why A will go on the row number 1, because in front of A mango cannot come and mango will be on the row number 2 only. So according to this hint, we can clearly say that A will like red color. Okay, A will like red color. Now an immediate neighbor of C does not face the one who like guava. Okay, this is our third hint, that C immediate neighbor does not face the one who like guava. So it simply means that C will also come in row number 1. Okay, as we defined about A. Okay, so the same thing will be applied for C also. The one who sits second to the left of the one who like mango faces the one who like blue. See, this line is very important in this puzzle. Okay, so from this line we can start our question because it is giving us some confirmed directions about few persons. Okay, so this line state that a person who like mango, okay, from that person in second left is facing the person who like blue. So this line state that. So we can put this in our puzzle and start solving. Okay, let us suppose mango is here. Okay, from mango second left will be the person who is facing blue. So blue will come here. Okay, this is our hint given to us, but it is not sure that mango will come here only. Okay, mango can come on this point also, so we have to make the another possibility and start solving our question. So let's make the another possibility then. Okay, so in case number 2, mango can come here. Okay, and from mango second left is a person who is facing blue, so blue will come here. See why I am writing mango in row number 2 only, because it is mentioned to us in our puzzle that the guys who liking fruits will come on the row number 2 only. That is why mango is coming on row number 2. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now this fourth hint we have completely used, so we will cross it. Okay, and we know that in front of A, mango cannot come, so A is blocked here in row number 1. Okay, similarly in case number 2, A will be blocked in front of mango, and there will be two possibilities of A in case number 2, that is A can come here also and A can come here also. So we cannot put this hint. Now let's read the another line. The one who like guava sits second to the left of you. Okay, so this is our fourth hint. From you, second left is a person who like guava, and we know that guava is fruit, so you will come on the row number 2 only. But there is a possibilities of you, that is you can come on mango also and you can come here also. Similarly in this case also, so we cannot put this hint. Okay, C like pink color and sits at one of the extreme end of the row. Okay, so this is giving us some confirmed information about C. C like pink color. Okay, and he sits at extreme end of the row. So in case number 2, C cannot come on the right end, because at the right end blue is sitting. The one who like blue is sitting. Okay, so C will come on the extreme left end of case number 2. Okay, so C will come here and he like pink color. Now in case number 1, C can come here also and C can come here also. So there is two possibilities. So we will not use this. So we will write like this: C like pink color and he is coming at the end. Okay. Now there is only one person sitting between you and V. Okay, so between you and V there is only one person sitting. Okay, the one who sits second to the right of the one who like grapes faces A. Okay, faces A. This line is very important. Okay, this line you can say a key line in this question, because this is giving us exact confirmed information about A and the one who like grape. See what I means? We know that the person who like grape will come on the row number 2 only. Okay, so grape can come here also and grape can come here also, and the person who is second to the right of grape is facing A. Okay, see if I assume grape here, let us suppose grape is here. Grape second right will be the person who is facing A. So grape second right is a mango, and in front of mango A is blocked. So grape cannot come here. This possibility will be eliminated. Okay, so only one possibility is left for grape, that is grape will come confirmed here only, and the person who is sitting second to the right of grape means this person will face A. So A will come here, and we know that A like red color. Okay, similarly in this hint, grape can come here. Let us suppose grape is here. From grape second right 1 and 2 mango is sitting, and that person should face A, but in front of mango A is blocked, so grape cannot come here. Let us suppose grape is here. Okay, from second right of grape, that is 1 and 2, this side A must come, but here C is sitting. So in our case number 2, grape hint is getting eliminated. Okay, so our case number 2 will completely eliminated, because grape's hint is not satisfied by this possibility. Okay, so next line, B like yellow color but does not faces V. Okay, so if B like yellow color, he will come on the row number 1 only. Okay, and he does not faces V, but we don't know the confirmed place of B, that is B can come here. Okay, and B can come here also. Similarly for V also, so we cannot put this hint, so we will make it footnote again. So in front of B, V is blocked and B like yellow color. Okay, Now neither W nor Y like any color. So it simply means that W and Y will come on the row number 2 only. Okay. So let's write it. W and Y will come on second row. Okay. The one who like grape is not an immediate neighbor of you. Okay. So immediate neighbor means on the immediate left side of that person and on the immediate right side of that person. So grape immediate left side cannot be you and grape's immediate right side cannot be you. In our case number 1, grape immediate left side, there is no seat left, so you cannot come here. So grape immediate right side, there is a seat, you is blocked on the immediate right side of grape. Okay. One of them like kiwi. Okay, so kiwi is a fruit which is given to us and kiwi will come in row number 2 only. Okay. Now let's look at our hints which I have jotted down here. Look at the hint number 1. Okay, in front of A, W is blocked. So in front of it, W is blocked. W cannot come here. Okay. Now hint number 1 we have completely used, so we will cross it. Hint number 2 we have already used. In front of a mango is blocked. We have already plotted it. Okay, now hint number 3. C immediate neighbor is not facing the one who like guava and C like pink color and C sitting at the end. So there is two possibility of C as of now also, that C can come here also and C can come here also, because we don't know the confirmed place of guava. So we cannot put this hint now. Okay. Now let's check the hint number 4. U second left is guava and there is one person gap between U and V. Okay. U is blocked here. U cannot come. If I put U here, U second left is guava. So 1 and 2, guava cannot come because grape is already sitting over here. So U confirmed place is this one only. And from U, second left, 1 and 2, guava will come here only. And between U and me, there is only one person. So we will come on guava. This hint we have completely used. Now from hint number 3, we know that C is sitting at the end and C's immediate neighbor is not facing guava. Okay. If I assume C on the right hand, immediate neighbor will be the one who like blue and this guy is facing guava. This hint we cannot plot here because it is restricted. Now we can put this hint over here that C will come here only and he like pink color and immediate neighbor of C will be A and he is not facing the guava. Okay. So this hint we have completely used. We will cross it. Okay, so our hint number 5th, B like yellow color and he is not facing okay, so hint number 5, B like yellow color and is not facing B. So B will come on the row number 1 only and there is only one seat is left in row number 1, that is this one. B will come here only and he is not facing V. Okay, now this hint we have completely used. Now 6th hint, W and Y will come on the row number 2. W is blocked here, so Y will come and W will go on the grapes. Okay. Now which person is left? That is D is left. So D will come on the row number 1 on blue seat. Okay. Now there was a fruit which is given to us, that is kiwi. So there is only one space left for kiwi in our row number 2, that is on Y. Okay. So kiwi will come over here. Now this is how we have solved our puzzle. Now let's move to questions. Okay, so question number 1. 4 of the following 5 belongs to a group. Find the one that does not belongs to that group. Okay. So this question is from odd one out. Okay. And this question need to be solved by using options. Only then we can answer. So let's check the option. U, W. U is at the end, W is at the end. C is at the end, B is at the end. A is in the row, so D option is correct. Okay. Who among the following sits second to the left of the one who faces A? So A faces Y. Okay. Y second left is W and W like grapes. So let's check the option V, U and the one who like grapes. So this is our correct answer. How many person sits on the left of the one who like blue color? So blue left side is this. There are 2 persons sitting. So option number B is correct. How many person sits between W and the one who like kiwi? W and kiwi. It means how many person are sitting between W and Y. So there is only one person, that is V. So option number A is correct. Who among the following faces A? Okay, A faces Y. So option number D is correct. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, student, based on the today's video, this is the homework. Okay, and comment me the answer in the comment section. And the answer of this question I will be discussing in my next video. Okay, student, for practice these type of puzzles question, you need to download our Entri app. The link is given in the description box. When you download it, it will ask you the login detail. When you fill the login detail, you will get the interface like this. On our Entri app, you will not only get the reasoning section quizzes, but also different subject quizzes which are relevant for your exam, such as quantitative aptitude, English, and general awareness. All these quizzes are being updated regularly. If you want to practice, what you have to do? You have to go in the practice section where you will get interface like this. Okay, you can click on the exam which you are preparing. After clicking on this, you will get your free mock test. Okay, so let's suppose you have clicked on SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, after clicking it, you will see the interface like this. Our app will ask you, are you preparing for SBI Clerk 2020? Then simply click on yes. Okay, then you will see the number of courses related to SBI Clerk 2020. You can attempt any of these course related to SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, let us suppose you have clicked on model exam. If you clicked on model exam, you will see the window like this or interface like this. Okay, in model exam section, you will see the number of mocks. Okay, you can attempt any of this mock because it is available free on our app. Okay, let's suppose you clicked on mock 18. Okay, after clicking it, you will get interface like this where it will show you the number of questions in that mock and total time allotted to it and the total number of marks. Okay, after attempting it, you will see the interface like this where you can see the number of questions correct by you and the wrong done by you and total number of question which is unanswered. Okay, after this you will see this analytic window. Okay, this is very important because by seeing this only you will be able to analyze your weak areas and work on it. Okay student, if you like my tricks given in this video, you can purchase our premium classes which is available only on the Entri app, where I have taken various chapters like inequalities, puzzles, and so on. By purchasing our premium classes, you will not be able to improve your weak areas, but also your marks in examination will also get improved. Okay student, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe it. Okay, if you like our video, just give a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and do share our video to your friends and other those who are preparing so that they can also avail the benefit provided by the Entri. Okay, see you in the next video student. Till then, take care. Bye bye.